Welcome back to another Jacobs Jurisdiction.
So I'm here today with Tyler Bunch of Bright Exterior Cleaning. Tyler, thank you.
What's up, Scott?
You know, no handshakes right now,
yeah,
they say.
no.
So look, I think we can all mutually agree, you know, this has been a wonky year, but one of the things that's really important to me is to kind of keep my building looking good. The next step is to have Tyler and his company come out here and power wash. But Tyler, tell us a little bit about you, how you got into this.
So I got into this back when I was 18, actually. Started window cleaning right out of high school. When I turned 25, I fully got established and went from the window cleaning, and I got a lot more kickback and feedback asking for pressure washing. So I spent months into it, researching it, the whole nine. The rest has been history, and we're now 3 years in the game. Service in the Northern Virginia area, from 495 in the Capital Beltway, just outside of DC, all the way down to Fredericksburg. We do a lot of residential, mainly. We are working our commercial aspects as well now. With the pressure washing side of it, we do actually a soft wash, which is high volume water with the aid of commercial grade soaps and surfactants with low pressure. So it's high volume water, low pressure. It's a soap chemical treatment. We take care of all of your landscaping. We take care of all of your exterior outlets, anything that may be sensitive to water. It may be outside that's technically waterproof. It's waterproof until you put hurricane gallons of minutes of water on it, and that being, we're running 13 gallons a minute when we're spraying.
How many PSI are you working with?
The pressure washer is rated for 4,000 PSI, but by the time it comes out of the gun, it's right around 400. It's the gallons of minute of water is what's cleaning everything. And so it's not the pressure, because the pressure is what damages.
I've seen some of your recent videos, right? You're doing the sidewalks, you're doing patios with this cool device. I also see you do some roofs, right?
Yes,
You know?
we do soft wash roof cleaning. Soft wash roof cleaning is where you get the black streaking. That's algae, and that's feeding on the limestone and in the shingles. When they took asbestos out of the shingles in the 90s, they replaced it with lime. Lime is a fertilizer, and so it gets moisture up there, and algae just starts to grow, and it's black in color. You can also get moss and lichen build up on your roof as well if you have a wooded area around. We also can do TPO roof cleaning for commercial, which is your flat membrane roofs. We do shingle roof cleaning, metal roof cleaning.
The buzzwords as of lately with all this stuff going on, right? Cleaning, disinfecting.
All of it.
We're all for that, right? And it just doesn't need to be on the inside. It can be on the outside too.
There's more germs on a door handle than there are on a toilet seat.
How would people get a hold of you and book an appointment?
The easiest, most effective way to do it is to go to brightexteriorcleaning.com. On the front page there's an info section. Fill that out with your name, your address, good contact number, and an email. Within 24 hours, you'll get a request for scheduling an estimate, or you can give us a call at 540-878-1200.
I did it. It was easy, you know, and the system like sent me a reminder. It was great. It's exactly the way that I wanted it to be, to put on my schedule and calendar. Guys, you really need to come and check out this guy. Now more than ever, it's all about shopping local, right?
Yeah.
You know,
buy fresh, buy local.
Great guy, great local company, and I'm sure they're going to do a phenomenal job. Thank you so much.